We often get asked about what is a preliminary hearing, and once I get to that preliminary hearing, what is it that I should expect? What is it that you're trying to accomplish as my lawyer? And it's something that's not well understood, even sometimes by lawyers. So, Brandon, could you clear that up a little bit for people?
Sure. So, a preliminary hearing is a hearing that provides your attorney the opportunity to question the officer as to the facts and circumstances surrounding why that officer placed you under arrest on the night in question. And so, at that hearing, we're able to beforehand identify legal issues that may come into play in your case, as far as potentially why you were illegally seized or illegally arrested, or why evidence that the state and the police received from you that night should not come into evidence in your case. And so during that preliminary hearing, we're able to question the officer to get the answer to those questions in order to potentially request the judge to dismiss your case on that day, or to get testimony to use to file a motion at a later date once the case goes to criminal court.
Yeah, I mean that's a really good point. Is that there are many times that we are trying to get a case dismissed at a preliminary hearing, but there's also many cases where we get this opportunity at this hearing to know exactly what the officer is going to say under oath. He's under oath at that hearing. And so if we anticipate having a trial in a case or filing motions in criminal court, which we'll get into possibly in another video, we need to know exactly what it is he's going to say. And if he says something different at a later date, we'll have the transcript or the audio of that hearing to be able to cross examine him, impeach him, and call into question whether or not he's being truthful.